How to share a TikTok account with your friends. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device and head over to your profile. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and over here you can find the option of My QR. So tap on that option and you're going to find your QR. Now you can obviously download this QR and then share it with your friends, but you can also share your profile on these applications. So I'm going to choose Messenger here. Now I'm going to choose Chat. So you can choose any of the apps. And now I'm going to send this to my friend. So here, as you can see, I have shared my QR with my friend. Now, what you can do after you have received a QR like this is download the TikTok app, and you want to open the app first. Now, once you've opened the app, you want to tap on Friends, and here at the top right corner of your screen, you can find this icon. You want to tap on it. And now if you have the QR, you can scan the QR from here, or you can tap on Album. And from here, you want to select the QR code, tap on Confirm. And as you can see, the QR will open up in this way, so your friend can follow it in this way. Now, another way to share your profile is you want to tap on your profile, and now you want to tap on the three lines again. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. You will find the Share Profile button. You simply want to tap on that, and here you can share your profile with any app that you want. So this is how you can share your TikTok account with your friends, and that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.